My love, it's finally here. Today, we become husband and wife. You've shown me the beauty in life. You've shown me that love truly exists. Please see yourself in my eyes today. You are the most beautiful woman in this room, this city, this world.
Yes! Baby, you look so amazing. Oh my God.
You found your shoes.
I did. I got them. Oh my God. God, you're so beautiful.
Today marks only the beginning. We step out together as husband and wife, ready to take on the world together. You make me the proudest man, and I can't wait to live this life and start a family with you.
Excited to get married?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You look so gorgeous. You look so
It's a good one, huh?
When Sarah first met Brandon, I remember it seemed like this might be something special. They both seemed to be in the right place at the right time. I could offer you some advice, but all marriages are different. Just remember the love that brought you here tonight, and know that a marriage requires patience and commitment to make it work. As they begin their married life together, we wish them all the happiness and joy that life can offer. Congratulations on your wedding day, and we love you both very much.
Love you, buddy.
It's good, right?
You're wonderful. Yes.
You are the rain, you are the sky. Your yellow rays and burning fire. Your every song that fills my mind. You're a temple full of holy wine.
She has taught me how to be a good friend, how to love, how to be loyal, how to listen. And Brandon, you are the love that she has always deserved. You have a steady, uplifting kind of love that lifts her up the way she does for everybody else around her. And we're so happy that you found her.
Brandon is the partner we all knew you would find. A man who loves you at your silliest, your most hardworking and passionate, and who stays by your side when it's been a hard day. Brandon, we are so thankful for the joy and love you bring to every day, and that you are continuing on our family love of a silly dog.
I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry. I'm gonna give you all I have inside. All my days for all of time. I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry.
Just wanted to let you know how easy Sarah has made it to be a mother. She's been a very good kid, and we love her dearly. But I know that we're not the only ones that raised her. I know that there's this entire village out there, and so I just wanted to thank the village for everything they did. Brandon, I know that there also was a whole slew of people and friends that helped raise you. He did a good job.
Brandon likes to collect things, but his most cherished collection is all of you here gathered today to celebrate him and Sarah on the best day of their lives. You'll always have each other, but don't forget, you'll always have all of us. Let's raise a glass to Brandon and Sarah.
My love, the day is finally here. I cannot be more excited to start this next chapter in our great adventure together. I cannot wait to see what is in store for us. Today is going to be epic, but it's just the start of everything we get to do together as husband and wife, as a family, now and forever.
Please rise.
All the air in me breathes for all of you. The current of your love runs through mine, twisting like a storm, taking hold of me. The words will always be intertwined.
our loved ones, I make these promises to you. I will wake up every day choosing you as my partner. I promise to always find joy, to laugh when things are great or messy, or all the moments in between. And I promise to take time to be present, to take pause and delight in all that we are experiencing and creating together.
I, Brandon, take you, Sarah, to be my wife, to build the joy in life together, to always be kind, to laugh early and often together, and to love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry, holding your hand till we close our eyes. All my days for all of time, I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry.
Well, Sarah, Brandon, you have expressed your love to one another through the commitments and promises you've just made that I get to pronounce you husband and wife. Brandon, you may kiss your bride.
Gretchen asked us our vision for the wedding day. Mine was always that I just want it to feel like a big warm hug with all my loved ones here. And I'm so thrilled you can all be here today. And I just want you to have the best time ever and drink all the drinks and eat all the food and dance to this amazing band. And I love you all.